Welcome to Kinspire Tech, where we talk about technology. Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how to block access to website from your PC, from your Windows PC. I'll be showing you how to block access to different websites from your PC. So let's go straight away. I'll be opening some websites for now. So I will go to web.whatsapp.com, which is one of the websites. Sorry, let me connect my internet. It's not connected. Just turn it on. Just click one. Alright, I've connected it. So if I refresh this page, you see what it shows is actually WhatsApp web page. And also, let me try another website. The second website I will try is apple.com. So don't bother about the 15 Pro Max, that's what we are talking about. So these are two websites we're trying to block access to. So we can access it from any browser on our PC. So but I'll be doing this, it works for any browser, not excluding Google Chrome. This what you're about to do today is actually for every other browser excluding Google Chrome. I'll do a later video on how to activate it, how to deactivate on Google Chrome. So what I'll be doing is we can now see that the website is accessible and you can actually view the website. So let's go and do the quick. Just watch us do that. So first thing first is actually you have to be an administrator on the Windows PC you're using. This is actually very technical and you need to be very careful when going down towards this area. We are going now. Click on File Explorer and it opens. This is the File Explorer we need. I'll just minimize this. Click the Windows icon. Go to Type Notepad. So this notepad, but instead of opening directly, we right click on the notepad. Select Run as Administrator. Click on it. Yes. So here now I'm going to open a file. I'll click on File. Click Open. Go towards Local Disk or Drive C. Click on it. Come down to Windows. So click on it. Move down to Drivers. It says System 32, which is this. Click on it. Move down to Drivers. Select it. etc. Now this is a file, but this is not the file. This is actually a text document I mistakenly created. But what we want to work on is not actually on a text document. It's actually on a file, which if you click on enter any web address, it goes just to check for the host name if it's blocked, and if it's blocked, you can't have access to it. I'll click on all files. You now look at the file I was talking about, host file. You can see it, file type is host. You click on it, click on open. But you remember the file part. This is actually Windows drive, your local disk drive where your Windows is installed. Then you select Windows folder, you move down to System 32 over here, then drivers, then etc. You have this. Then you make sure you click this drop down menu button and not select text, select all files for you to have access to it. So you click on the host, the file type will be type file. You click on open, it opens this. So if you see, these are a lot of websites that I block access to for my PC. I usually do that. There are some things I'll be working on. I'll just want to block access to some websites so that my system can be able to have access to that site on its own, so they can communicate and they can't have access to the site at all on my PC. So that's what I want to do now. Alright, so I'll be typing the website to see how to block it. Over here, I'll click IP address. I'll just press tab, then type web.whatsapp.com. Also do the same thing for press tab, then type for www.apple.com. So now I'm done for the two. This actually works in any browser, but not excluding Google Chrome. You may try it to not work. There's actually how you tweak for Google Chrome, which I will do a better video on how to block sites on Google Chrome. I'll just come back here, click on File, click on Save As. Then this is the file location. I'm not saving as text. So if you save as text, you do mistake and save this file, and which is not save as text like this, and it's not what the system usually have access to when receiving requests from every server on the world about the web page to open. So I'll click on this save as type, select all files, select the host, which is file type, click on it, click save. It's gonna say, do you want to replace it? I'll say yes, and that is all. There's other ones you want to do. You want to open your command prompt. I usually use shortcut Windows arrow and CMD to open my command prompt, or you can also use the normal legal way, Windows key. Then you type command prompt, is it, then you click on it, it opens. So now it's open. I will be running what I use to flush the DNS server. So I'll type ipconfig /flush DNS. So it's going to flush all the DNS I installed already on the system. So I press enter. It says IP configuration successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So I'll close this and watch what happens. I'll start to open my browser back again and just see what happens when we type it to website. So I'll close it, come over here, click on the browser, come over here. It still opens, isn't it? It still opens. So if I click on this, does it still open? I see that it's blocked. So this is how you block access to different websites on your PC. Simple as this. So you watch, you can't have access to the website. It keeps reloading and reloading and reloading. So access to the website is blocked. This page can be reached, and that's all on how to block on all browsers, excluding Google Chrome. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more great content like this. Thank you.